very much, everybody, for being here. We have the post-match press conference starting with coach of Police FC, Wendell Joseph. Coach, your thoughts on the performance of your unit this evening?
Honestly, I think we started the game pretty well. We had the better exchanges in a couple of minutes. Poor defending, let us go in a goal down. Fighting back, we equalized, and second half, we were outplayed.
And for you, Coach, you take a point from these 2 away games. How important the home games now in Trinidad?
Very important. We have to go back to the drawing board at home, try and correct the mistakes that we made defensively as a unit. We weren't defending properly in the midfield as well. We have like about 3 weeks to work on that, and hopefully we will get the results at home and help us to qualify for the next round.
All right. Any questions we have for Coach Joseph, please indicate, and you may pose your question.
Coach, first of all, how difficult was it after the first half? It was a close game in the first half. How difficult was it for you to maintain that momentum going to the second half?
I believe tactically we were off. Tactically more than physically. I realized that the team started a press, and we still wanted to try and play out the back. You know, when we should have gone long and try to play off the second ball, and that contributed to us going 2-1 down. And, you know, the game was out of our reach at that point in time.
After you guys went 2-1 down, and then Cavalier started getting a flurry of chances, what do you think caused that?
My belief is discipline, you know, discipline with how we defend as a team. I believe that going a goal down, then going 2-1 down, you're still supposed to maintain that that formation and that style of play and try as best as possible to get back into the game. But we didn't do that. People started to get caught out of position, and you know, as a result, we went more goals down and we lost the game 4-1.
You mentioned that the defense lost their composure, but also there was a few chances you guys created and didn't necessarily take it. Are you disappointed with the finishing in the final 30 side?
I wouldn't say disappointing, because I believe that the keeper made an excellent save there from the striker, Woodley, pushing it onto the crossbar. I believe that would have changed the game. That would have brought us back 2-1, and you know, probably would have made changes to try and contain Cavalier's team, and that didn't happen for us.
Any other questions from anybody? Coach, safe travels back to Trinidad.
Thank you.